Oppo China, Lava India, Sony Japan, Candor Algeria, Qvel Italy, Haier China, Just 5 Lithia, M. Malaysia, SP US, ACL India, Vivo China, Ariane North Korea, MyPhone Poland, Google US, Bphone Vietnam, Huawei China, Doro Sweden, Micromax India, YouTube Romania, Yotaphone Russia, Realme China, Walton Bangladesh, Wiko France, Gigaset Germany, Samsung South Korea, Evertext Tunisia, iMobile Thailand, Xiaomi China, Linux Mexico, Herzo Central Republics, Cisco Egypt, Nokia Thailand, Vidacons India, MLS Greece, Kogan Australia, Motorola USA, Zitel Zimbabwe, Will Efox UK, OnePlus China, Tokyo Philippines, Q Mobile Pakistan, STC Taiwan, Multi Desert Brazil, Honor China, Nexian Indonesia, Fairphone Netherlands, Lenovo Hong Kong, Asus Taiwan, Thuraya USA, Apple USA, Aselsan Turkey, Panasonic Japan, IQ China, Chevron India, Infinix Hong Kong, SR Taiwan, ITEL China.